Do you want better core strength, improved posture, and stronger pelvic muscles that support your entire body? Whether you're working on fitness, performance, or long-term health, pelvic muscle strength is something you should never ignore. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you 4 of the best exercises to build strong pelvic muscles. Simple, effective, and beginner-friendly. No gym required. Let's get started. Exercise 1. Push-ups. Push-ups are not just for your chest and arms. When done correctly, they strongly activate your core and pelvic floor muscles. As you lower your body, keep your core tight and squeeze your pelvic muscles as if you're lifting them upward. This controlled tension strengthens deep muscles that support your spine and pelvis. Start with 10-15 reps, focusing on form, not speed. Exercise 2. Squats. Squats are one of the best full-body exercises for pelvic strength. When you squat down and stand back up, your pelvic muscles work together with your glutes and legs to stabilize your body. Keep your feet shoulder-width apart, chest up, and engage your core. Do 12-15 slow squats, squeezing your glutes and pelvic muscles at the top. Exercise 3. Kegel exercises. Kegels directly target the pelvic floor. To do a Kegel, tighten the muscles you would use to stop urine flow. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then relax. Breathe normally and avoid tightening your stomach or thighs. Perform 10-15 repetitions, 2 to 3 times a day. This exercise is small, but extremely powerful. Exercise 4. Plank. The plank is a core powerhouse and excellent for pelvic stability. Hold your body in a straight line, engage your abs, and gently lift your pelvic muscles while breathing steadily. Start with 20-30 seconds and increase as you get stronger. Strong pelvic muscles improve balance, posture, core power, and overall body control. Add these 4 exercises to your daily routine and stay consistent for real results. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more simple fitness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.